on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most amazing white peach lemonade. So the first thing I want to do is get your large white peach and go ahead and peel it and take the pit out of the middle, and then we're going to discard the pit. And right where the pit is, that little red spot in the center of the peach, we're going to discard that as well. So make sure you remove that because we don't want that to stain or color our drink, because we want our white peach lemonade to remain white. But if you like that part, I'll leave a video down below to show you how that will stain your drink, and the color is pretty cool. But for this one, I just wanted white peach lemonade. So once you get that white peach sliced and cut it down into chunks, whatever manageable, because you're gonna boil this thing, go ahead and set that aside, and then we're gonna pop that in a pot, and then we're going to add on 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup. I link a video down below to teach you how to make simple syrup if you need help with that. All right, once you get that point, we're going to go ahead and juice 1 whole lemon, and these are large lemons. For small lemons, you might need 2 lemons, but if they're large, you just need 1 whole lemon, the juice of 1 whole lemon. All right, you're going to put it in a measuring cup, and from there, we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup to that as well. And then once that's 1/4 of a cup of simple syrup is added, we're going to add 2 cups of water, and that is some filtered water. The water we use in my house is reverse osmosis or alkaline water. This water here was actually reverse osmosis. All right, once you get that tasting where you want it, and like that's pretty much a guideline. So when it's where you want it, go ahead and set it aside, and then we're going to boil that white peach down like I said, and then we're going to mash it up. And once we mash it up, we're going to go ahead and strain the pulp from that white peach, because it has done its job and we extracted all that flavor out of that pulp with that simple syrup. And once that's done, we're going to actually add that juice into our lemon and water mixture. And that's pretty much the recipe right there. Taste that, make sure it's to your liking. If you need to sweeten it up a little bit more, go ahead and do that. If you needed a little more tart, add a little more lemon to it, but that should be a perfect ratio right there. All right, then we're going to go ahead with a shaker, add a big chunk of ice into that shaker with our drink, and we're going to shake this thing vigorously just to cool it down really good. But we're still going to place this thing in a chilled glass on top of ice. So if you don't do this step, it's not important. All right, then we're going to go ahead and put it in our chilled glass over ice. And I had that chilled glass and ice in the freezer for about 25 minutes, just because I wanted to really chill. And then we got a couple slices of that peach, and there you have it, man. The most amazing white peach lemonade. I slick wanted to do like a recipe that's going to finish our summer out. And what better recipe than a drink recipe? And like I said, this is a perfect drink. Oh my goodness, great drink. Very refreshing, light, chill, cool. Just in time to finish out the summer. But yeah, there you have it, man. White peach lemonade from the Bistro. Hit that subscribe button, by the way. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all them platforms: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. White peach lemonade from the Bistro. I'll catch you next week. I'm out.